On this episode of ScottVsBox, I open up Series 1, Koo Koo Zoo Koo Koo Birds. Man, they so cuckoo like women be shopping.
Scott vs. Box!
So Series 1, Koo Koo Zoo Birds. I don't know what's inside. It's a surprise, dummy. Koo Koo Bird. It's a collectible inside. I'm gonna search for the golden cuckoo. They all look, angry or drunk. These are definitely super weird Koo Koo Zoo birds. See on the back here if we got any information. Each package contains one surprise Koo Koo bird collectible, the Series 1 field guide, and your guide for identification and collecting Koo Koo birds. Collect the entire flock. We'll see about that. All right, let's open it up. Maybe I got the golden one, everybody, on my first shot, my first try. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Starting to pop open. All right, let's see what we got. Is it drunk or mad? Ugh. Yeah, it's like fuzzy and chalky. Ugh. I don't like these things. And he's doped up. Look at this. Look, he's high on shrooms. Hey, did you find that guide? Oh man, lost my eyebrows. Have you seen them? On top of my head. Get out of town here with that. What is it? Ugh. I don't like this fuzzy substance on him. It is creeping me out. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, this will be easy to identify, maybe. I guess he's, what, they don't have names? Someone couldn't name him Dopehead or Moron Face? He's Orange-Crested Bug-Eye Fezziwig? That's a long name. Just call him Fezziwig. Or Moron. I call him Moron. Because he is a moron. So there you go. Fezziwig, the moron. So wraps up another exciting unboxing video. But wait, there's more. Subscribe to Scott vs. Box by clicking right up here so you never miss out on another Scott vs. Box video. And send me something to this address right over here and I'll give you a free plug on my show. And if you want to see even more toy unboxings, click right over here and you'll see all kinds of stuff like cars, Star Wars, Moshi Monsters, you know, all the stuff that the babes dig. What's up, babe? I got toys. Oh.